How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the AmzChef coffee grinder that I got off of Amazon. So right off the bat, the box looks pretty basic, but if you go to the back side, it tells you that it has 75 grinding settings. It has a stainless steel conical burr, some other features like tap to clean, and also it has portafilter holders for 51, 54, and 58 millimeters, which is actually pretty nice. So right off the bat, when you open up the box, you're greeted with the guide. I'm going to take it out, and the guide kind of tells you the product information, so what's included in the box, how to get started basically, and I'm going to put it to the side for a second. Now this was a little hard to take it out of the box, but we're greeted with another cardboard box which kind of looks cheap, but I don't really mind because it's super cheap on Amazon. So let's see what's actually inside of it. So here it is. This is the grinder and the different components in the box. So I'm going to take out the grinder for now. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. I'm going to put it to the side for a second. This is the top part that you actually press down to take out any grounds that are left in the machine, and then also there is a grind carrier which you grind your beans into, and this is where you actually put in the beans to grind. Sorry, I don't know like the specific names of the components, but you can see the product guide that I attached at the beginning to know what they are. Now, when we take the grinder out of the packaging, it actually looks really nice on the first look. I really like the black and the gold, and I think it really goes beautifully with my coffee setup. I'm happy I actually bought it. Let's see how it grinds later, but I think just as a first look, it's a beautiful showpiece even to just put on the table. And on the right hand side, we do have the grind timer and then also the button which you can press to start. And if you look at the blades, they actually look pretty nice, and I love how it has like a locking mechanism, so it makes it like super easy to clean. So let's assemble it really quickly and try to grind some beans. So this is the coffee that I use from a local roastery, and we're going to measure out about 18 grams. And guys, this is one of the biggest mistakes I made, because when I put my portafilter to kind of like ground the coffee, I didn't put the top part on top of it. So I don't know what it's really called, but just look when I grind the beans what happens. Here we go. This is my mistake right here. So it does have a really nice light that you can use to look at the beans. And now you see the mistake. Now the beans are splattering everywhere. Let's use the WD-T tool to remove any static. I know the grinder has an anti-static setting, but I don't really find it to be very useful. Okay, so finally it came out. I think it looks amazing, looks really creamy. And I know I'm using a pressurized portafilter for now, but I also ordered an unpressurized portafilter from AliExpress, so hopefully next time it'll look a lot better. And we're able to get out about 37 grams in 25 seconds, which means that we went a little too coarse. So, but here it is, another video of another shot that I took after grinding it on the finer settings. And this was actually perfect, and it yielded me about 36 grams in 30 seconds, which was perfect. So yeah, guys, it was a basic video. I know the videography wasn't perfect, but I hope you like it. And let me know if you have any questions. For now, I'm liking my setup, but for now, thank you. Bye-bye.